everyone, let's talk about this beautiful book written by Chitra Banerjee, The Palace of Illusion. And it is the story of Mahabharat by Draupadi's point of view, which is like the best thing. This is the best book that is ever written by an Indian author. And let's talk about it. Everyone, when it comes to Mahabharat, talks about the glory of how five Pandavas fought against their own family, killed their own families to respect the honor of Draupadi. But no one talks about that those five Pandavas were the reason why Draupadi was standing in that sabha, why Draupadi was humiliated in that sabha. First thing that I learned from this book was Yudhishthir is a dumb fuck. Why? A man needs to know a limit, but he was a king. He needs to know his limit at the very highest point. He should have stopped when it came to his kingdom, but he didn't. A man should always know his own limits. Other than that, there is also this thing when it comes to our ancestors. Ancestors ने ये कहा, भगवान ने ये कहा, मेरे बड़ों ने ये कहा, मैं तो यही करूँगा. ये लड़के हमेशा ही ऐसे बोलते हैं. But no, elders are not God. They are sometimes wrong, and it is our responsibility, being the youngers, to put out the words, you are wrong, you need to think about it. अंधे की तरह अपने बड़ों की बातें सुन के फॉलो करना नहीं चाहिए. And the third thing that I learned is Draupadi wasn't humiliated because she was weak. She was humiliated because she thought everyone who was sitting in that sabha would protect her, her family, her elders, Pitamaha, Bhishma, ye, wo, everyone is going to protect her. But no one did. Patriarchy doesn't always comes with sword. It sometimes watches you burn. And the fourth thing that I learned was Draupadi had 5 husbands, yet in the moment of need there were 0 standing with her. And this is the reason why a woman should be independent in every aspects of her life. Let it be education, finance, diplomacy, whatever. Because in the end you are standing alone and you need to fight for yourself. And this is the reason. See, being a feminist, this is what I expect from a good book. And this is the reason why every single person I think should read, and especially men. I literally promote this book so that men can read this and understand how to be a man. So, and this is the reason why I love this book. Like, man, how can not you? This is like Chitra Banerjee, I love you.